Hello, this is Tahmina Khan. Today I will explain you question number 7 of exercise 4.3 of TKMaths. This chapter is about quadratic equations and expressions. In this question we have to find the values of m for which this equation will always have real roots. So let's see the explanation of it. Before we start, we know that for real roots, the discriminant is greater than and equals to 0. Now it is greater than and equals to 0 because we know it is real, but we don't know either it will be real equal or it will be real and distinct. So let's start. The equation is given in this form. To apply the values of a, b, c in the discriminant, we need to rearrange the equation. So I am opening it. It will become mx, expanding it, removing the brackets, mx plus 2m. And then I'm writing the terms of x together and constant together. Then I'm factorizing it because the coefficient of x will be my b and coefficient of x square will be my a. If we compare it with the general equation of quadratic, which is ax square plus bx plus c. So comparing with this, I know my a is 2, b is 4 plus m, and c is 2 plus 2m. So now, because question said initially to have real roots, we know that discriminant will be greater than and equals to 0. So now substituting the value of b, 4 plus m square here, a 2 here, and c 2 plus 2m. So now after expanding we get this equation, m square minus 8m greater than equals to 0. Then factorizing m minus 8. Now whenever we have factorized form, it actually gives us, if we can recall the quadratic equation, x-intercept. Here my x-axis is my m-axis. So if I draw roughly or sketch roughly, the graph is intercepting at 0 and 8. Since the coefficient of m square is plus, it will be minimum value curve. Now, this is the tricky part for most of the students. They don't know which sign will come here. So the thing here is that which value of m you will plug in here so that your answer is greater than 0. It means the part of the graph which is above the m-axis, because it is my m-axis right now. The equation is in terms of m. So this part will give me positive value. So what are the values of m on this part of the curve and on this part of the curve? So if you have greater than equals to 0, you take the part of the curve which is above the horizontal line, which is your x-axis or m-axis here. So now the values of m on this, if you see here, if I ask you what is the value of m here, what is the value of m here? So they are all greater than 8. And if we see here, the values of m, because it is saying greater than 0, the values of this thing is greater than 0. So my m values are all less than 0. So I can say here, okay, all these values of m will give me positive value of y here. And these values of m here will give me positive value. Now why we are looking for positive value? Because it is greater than equals to 0. So my values of m are greater than 8 and less than or equals to 0. I hope I have made it clear and you would have understood. If still you have any problem, you can send me mail on my email address, which is tkmathsisfun@gmail.com. It is written in description also, and I will be back with more explanation to you. Thank you.